Hey everybody, it's me DG Tronic. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I want to really quickly show you guys a neat trick how to turn any photo into an old photo or make it look like it's an old vintage photograph using GIMP. It's very quick and really easy to do. So let's say, for the sake of the video, that I did a video on my other channel trying vintage candy bars, and here's the thumbnail. I mean, these are not vintage candy bars, but let's say they are. And I wanted the thumbnail to look like a vintage photograph. Now, unfortunately, I don't believe you can apply this effect to individual layers. I think you can apply it to the whole image only. So it flattens the whole project into one image and applies the effect to it. I wish it would do it to layers. If I can find a way on how to apply it to individual layers, I will definitely make another video and explain it in that. But it's very easy to do for the whole image, okay? This is a very bright, very colorful picture. That's not exactly what I want. I kind of want it to look like a photo from the early 50s or maybe, I don't know, the 40s or something like that. So all I have to do is go to filters up here, go to decor and choose old photo. Very easy. As soon as you do that, it gives you a box here with a few options. Border size, you can choose between sepia or mottle. I'm not sure what mottle is. Let's try sepia for now. I'm going to click, I'm not going to change the border size. I kind of like it at 20, I think. The defocus is interesting. I'm going to have that on for now. Let's click OK. This may take a while if it's a project that you've done yourself, like a graphic project, and there's different layers and elements to it. This may take a while to do. And voila, here it is. Looks like a vintage photograph in black and white. Now I'm going to try the other options, see what the difference is going to be. Let's go to the original photo here. Sorry, wrong one. Let's go to the original photo here. Go to filters and decor again. Old photo. This time I'm going to choose model and not do sepia. Let's see what the difference is. Ah, kept the colors, but it made it very grainy. Well, that's interesting. Now let's choose both options. Let's go to filters again. Let's go to decor, old photo with sepia and motto. There it is, black and white and grainy. So this is the one with both options chosen. This is the one with just sepia. You can kind of see the difference. So let's take a look at them again. This is the one with both options. This is the one with just model or model. And this is the one with just sepia. Very interesting looks for old photograph. Now I wish there were more choices, but this isn't bad for just one customizable option out there. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my YouTube channel, they're both DGtronic, and check out this playlist right here. I'll see you in the next video.